Hi, how you doing? Coming here today from Florida Medical Equipment Sales, show you how to set up the new Shark 3500 power procedure table. As you can see, if you watched our first video of taking the power procedure table out of the box, and you put it on the four-wheel dolly and roll it into your office. Once you get into your office, the next step is to take it off the dolly. Very easily, gently, take the dolly out, and at this point, you can unveil your new procedure table. As you can see, we have this one here in black, and the first thing you're going to do is open up the box with your foot control and the power cable. As you can see, it comes in a box together. You have your power cable and your foot control. Let's go ahead and plug this in so we can get things started. On the side here is where your wireless hand control goes. As you see, that will come in a bag with the battery. So the first thing you want to do is take it out and insert the battery that comes with the table. And then just to confirm everything's working, and also to show you with the foot control. So what we're going to do now is put this back into the holder and start assembling the rest of the table. As you can see, in our box that comes with the table, you're going to have your armrest, your footrest, and your headrest. To put your armrest on, you have a little opening here with a groove, and you'll see that there's a little notch here that holds it into place. Just go right in the middle, put it down. As you can see, the armrests go back 180 degrees, then they lay flat with the table. Go ahead and put on the other armrest. And those can be taken off very easily if you don't need them for the procedure. Next, we'll put in your headrest. You have a little lever there to unloosen the locks. And you just insert like so. Once you have it in position, lock the lever, and that's good to go. Next, we'll do the foot control, or footrest. And here you'll have a knob on the bottom, which locks it into place. So you slide that in. You don't have to take it all the way out. And then once you go, tighten it up there. Now back to the functions. As you can see, you have an independent backrest. You have the up and down function, independent foot, and you also have Trendelenburg. Thanks. We'll see you on our next video.